Bar chords, you either love them or you run for the hills. But here's the thing, once you have 4 shapes under your fingers, you unlock the entire neck. Today, we're not just drilling shapes, we're going to learn well-known songs and we're going to drip feed those pesky little monkeys into our chord playing repertoire. By the end, you'll have 5 tracks under your belt, starting with the simplest and working towards the more challenging. Let's get into it. The easiest bar chord, in my opinion, is the A-shaped B minor chord. The best song to ease us into that is Wicked Game by Chris Isaak.
World wasn't fair, no one could save me but you.
The chords we need for that song are B minor bar, A, and E. That's right. Just 3 chords all the way through the song. Single strumming through the chords so you can see how they lock together. B minor, move into A, move into E. If you want to get snazzy, add the pinky onto the 2nd fret of the G string to get the E sus4. So this structure, B minor, A, E, is fairly straightforward. The challenge comes when you have to get from the E to the B minor. That's a bigger jump. But what we do with bar chords is look to see if there's an anchor, a way to join it together, just to give us a little bit of connection. And the thing with the E to the B minor is that the ring finger stays on the same string. So we can use that as a guide to slide up to the 4th fret and then reapply the fingers around it to create the B minor shape. Playing through the chord sequence now, it's a nice, gentle, slow song. Everything rings out into each other. Play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, your first bar chord song. Wicked Game loops that chord sequence through for the entire song, so enjoy that. If you want another song idea to incorporate the B minor and the A chords, Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton is a perfect addition. Let's dip our toes into another classic. We introduce the F major bar chord. This one sneaks the bar chord into a verse of mostly open chords. It's the perfect next step. Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis. This one's bouncy and fun. It's a campfire classic. We have the chords C, G, A minor, E7, and then boom, we have our F bar chord. Back to the G, C, A minor, G. The beauty of this chord progression is that the F follows an E7 chord. What I would suggest to build the connection is play the E7 chord with the middle finger and the ring finger. Then all you need to do is slide these 2 fingers up a fret on the same strings, add the pinky onto the 3rd fret of the D, and add the index finger onto that killer 1st fret. For the strumming pattern, we have a down, 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 up for the most part. The up is on the chord transition, so we can play down, 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 up, and lift our fingers to move to that 2nd chord. We do that throughout the cycle. We're going to slow it down a bit. Play along with me. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That cycle runs through every verse in the song. At speed, 3, 4.
Deep inside the eye of your mind, don't you know you might find a better place to play?
If you can strum this verse smoothly, you have conquered one of the bar chord hurdles. Are you feeling good? Let's push it up a notch. This next song forces you to use 2 bar chords and join them together. This is where your hand really starts to learn how to travel the neck and jump strings, but not too drastically. An Oasis double feature, She's Electric. Introducing the G sharp, which is an E-shaped bar chord, and the C sharp minor, which is an A-shaped bar chord. The whole chord sequence for the verse goes from an open E to the G sharp, to the C sharp minor, to the A. It cycles that 3 times and then finishes on an open C, an open D, and an open E. The beauty here is we've already built the muscle memory for these 2 shapes. It's just that they're on different frets. So you will notice that the G sharp is the same shape as the F. And when we move down to the C sharp minor, it's the same shape as the B minor. Playing through the verse chord sequence now a little bit slower than the song, I will call out the directions of the strums as I play. The graphics on the screen will reinforce this. Play along if you can. 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Loop that chord sequence so you can get a feel for how those shapes bounce together. Alright, if you've followed me so far, you're ready to speed up. This next shape is a little bit tougher and the song is faster, but it'll help to build your endurance and ability to master the A-shaped major chord. This is Lightning Bolt by Jake Bugg.
Morning, another pure green morning.
This B bar chord can be played in a few different ways. For me, this is the cleanest way to play it. Index finger 2nd fret A, middle finger, which is a bit of a stretch to begin with, 4th fret D, ring finger 4th fret G, pinky 4th fret B, and the index finger bars the A string and the high E string. So it's a 5-string chord. If I show you these 3 fingers and slide them down to the 2nd fret, that makes an A chord. That's why this is called an A-shaped bar chord. The chords in this song, E, open E, then we jump to B, and then to A, which you can either play with these 3 fingers as a smooth transition from the B bar chord, or you can switch to whatever fingers you would normally use for the A chord. Strumming pattern and chord sequence run for the entire song. The challenge of it is the speed compared to the recording. We're going to play it through slowly just to build our chops, get used to the chord changes. I'll call the strumming patterns for the first couple of times round. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And finally, let's add another flavour, the darker, moodier F sharp minor. It's everywhere, and today it's hiding in another classic.
I'm glad I spent it with you. Keep me hanging on. Keep me hanging on.
Perfect Day by Lou read. This song does use a capo on fret number 1, but to save visual confusion while we're putting bar chords together, we're gonna just do it open for now. In this song, we have our old favourite, the C sharp minor, and new, the F sharp minor. Now this chord can really upset some people. The verse in this song is all open chords, so it's nice and straightforward. What we're dealing with today is the chorus where the 2 bar chords are introduced. So doing a single strum so you can see the shape of that progression. We start on an A to a D, nice and straightforward. Jump to the C sharp minor, back to the D, A, E, which I would recommend when you're first starting out. Fret this E with the middle finger, ring finger, pinky, because then all you need to do to slide into the F sharp minor is slide these 2 fingers up, the ring and the pinky finger, to the 4th fret of the A and D strings, and lay that bar finger down. Back to the E chord and the D, and then we jump back to the F sharp minor, to the E, to the D. So really this song's about mastering the jumps, because they're related a little bit but not entirely. The song's quite slow in the chord changes, so it gives us a bit of breathing room. But strumming wise, we have a fairly casual strumming pattern. It's very relaxed, very light. We're in 6/8, so I'm going to call in the numbers as we play through this chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you can hold that loop, you've got one of the most iconic choruses of all time in your back pocket. 5 varied bar chord songs to work on. You wouldn't be expected to do all of them in one go. If you're new to bar chords, maybe just work on the first or the second one. You can increase and add in the songs as you go along. That's the beauty of this lesson. These 5 songs will give you endurance and framework to tackle more complex chord progressions further on down the line. I'm sure your practice sessions will be peppered with enjoyment, frustration, and maybe even a few tears, and that'll all go full circle again. But the main thing is enjoy the process. In this lesson, I show you how to shortcut learning chords. Rather than learning loads of random chords all at once, we can pick 5 extremely common chord progressions and learn those to get used to the patterning. I'll see you next time.